Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Ní ìjókòó tí ó kọjá, a sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àṣà ìsọmọ lórúkọ àti àwọn ohun èlò tí a fi ń sọ ọmọ lórúkọ. Fún ẹ̀kọ́ tòní, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orúkọ, àwọn orúkọ tí à ń sọ ọmọ wa, the kind of name we give to our children. Irú orúkọ wo ló jẹ́? What kind of name it is? And every other thing about a name. You see that your friend that has that name, you want to know why she or he has that name. You get to know part of it today. Irú orúkọ tí ó wà, a ní orúkọ àmútọ̀runwá, name from heaven, a ní orúkọ ìsìn, religious name, a ní orúkọ ìdílé, family name, a ní orúkọ àbíkú, born to die name, orúkọ oríkì, praise name, àti orúkọ àbísọ, regular name. All these names, they are wonderful names, and they just don't give a child. You look at the house, you look at the home before you give a child such a name. That is why the Yoruba says, Ile làwò ká tó sọmọ lórúkọ. You look at the family background, you look at things surrounding the house before you just give the child a name. You don't just give a child a random name. Yes, Ile làwò ká tó sọ ọmọ lórúkọ. Today we'll be learning different kind of names and why it's given. So let's go. Oruko Ile. This is a religious name. Those people worshiping Ifa, they can name their child Ifa Yoshe. Those people worshiping Egungun, that is masquerade, they name their child Ojewande Egunjobi. Then a Christian name, you can hear Oluwaseyi. It's still religious. All these names connotes religion. They are strictly religion. They are not just regular name. They tell you the kind of religion this person is, or the kind of deity this person is worshiping. I hope you understand. Yes, are you with me? Also, irú ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n ń sìn, irú ilé tí wọ́n ti jáde. Bákan náà, a ní orúkọ ìdílé, a family name. The family name determines, or it tells us the kind of thing they do in their family. Ayantunde, they are drummers in their family. Adeoba, they are from royal home. Okpadiran, a deity called Okpa. Oyeyemi, that is, they are entitled to be chiefs, or they are chiefs. You know, is their lineage entitlement is chieftaincy. But Ani Oshagbemi shows that Orisha, everything that has to do with deities, what they do in their family, they worship deity, everything. It could be Oshagbemi, Oshabumi, Oshatola, Oshunfunke. It shows that in their family, this is what they do, and this is how they do it. So appreciate the God, or to show the world that yes, they identify with these people, they name their child as such. Ani orúkọ àbíkú, born to die names. Kosoko, there is no hope. Dúrójayé, stay and enjoy the world. Malomo, please don't go. Now these names, they show that yes, the child has been coming once, twice, thrice. But you see, Akisa, Ajatunde, it shows that the child has died like 3 times, 10 times, 20 times. That's why you hear names like Ajatunde, Oletubo, Akisa, Olongbo, Aton. They believe that when they give them ugly names, they will stay. They wouldn't die anymore. Do you understand? They wouldn't die anymore. They don't give them fine names like Remilekun, Ayelagbe, Rotimi. You can imagine those your friends that have such names. You know where they got them from now. Okay, proceeding. Ani Oruko Oriki. These are praise names. Akonke, Abike, Adisa, Ajani, Alani, Anike, Ajoke. These are wonderful names. Praise names. When you praise a child like that, you eulogize a child, the child will be very happy. You see the child, the happiness radiating in the face of that child because you have praised the child. Yeah, Anike Ade, you see the child will be very, very happy. Despite civilization, parents still give their child Oruko Oriki. They give them praise name. Yeah, wonderful names. Yes. Bákan náà, a ní orúkọ àbísọ. These are regular names that you can see. Just because I like this name, I give my child Biola, Biodun, Ṣeun, Tóyìn, Táyọ̀, Tọ́pẹ́, Wálé, Láìdé, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. a ní orúkọ àmútọ̀runwá. These themselves brought from heaven. A child that is born with a leg first is Ige. A twin children, they are Taiwo and Kehinde. Ajayi, every baby is born facing up with the head, but Ajayi faces down. Okay, a baby born with a sack. Ojo, a baby with the umbilical cord round the neck. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.